Hello there, you're watching Dansky, and in this 2-minute tutorial, we're going to learn how to add a cheeky smile to portrait photos in Photoshop. So you can see I've opened up a couple of images. The first one, we have a guy with some cool hair and a beard. He's looking a little bit too serious. Let's add a smile to him. So we go to Filter and down to Liquify, and I'm using Photoshop CC 2018, and on the right hand side I have the Face Aware Liquify panel, and we can change the eyes, nose, mouth and face shape. We're going to focus on the mouth for this tutorial. So let's just zoom in so we can see his face. And we've got lots of options here that you can adjust. We're going to focus on smile, so you can drag the slider all the way to the left and the right, and usually this can give quite comical results at either extreme. However, I find this especially useful if you drag it ever so slightly to one side. So you can see just by checking the preview box on and off, we can make subtle changes to his expression. So we can bring this up ever so slightly and go from a much more serious expression on his face to adding a very slight smile. Now I've actually got another example as well. We have someone who is already smiling. So let's go to Filter, down to Liquify. Now when that loads up, we'll just zoom in so we can see. Now this subject is already smiling, so if we adjust the smile slider, we can see that it does change her expression. And we can drag this up the other way. You can of course go to the absolute extreme, as I say, for comical effect. But the most useful case for this that I find personally is when you have a photo of a subject, or if it's even yourself or whatever it is, who is just looking a little bit too serious, and you just want to add a very subtle smile, which, even though it's subtle and we're moving the sliders very slightly, it can dramatically change someone's expression. And there we go, that's how to add a cheeky smile to a portrait photo in Photoshop.